tres. Hi! We are Pigeon, Sarah,
and Susana
and today we're going to cook some cookies.
with the thermodynamics concept.
And this is
Pigeon and Friends.
cooking.
So first we start by taking one half of a cup of brown sugar and 1/3 of a cup of light sugar.
Ingredient is flour, and we have 1 cup and a half. Also, we're going to need 1 cup of unsalted butter, that is melt, and chocolate chips. We also need baking powder
And a extract of vanilla.
The dough should look like this.
This is my Sheila.
The first law of thermodynamics, energy conservation, because this law states that the energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred. So, when we bake the cookies, the thermal energy from the oven transferred to the cookie dough, making that the chemical energy stored in the ingredients like flour, butter, chocolate chips, sugar, is converted into heat and gas that affect the cookie's texture.
Next is the second law of thermodynamics, entropy and heat flow. Heat flows from the hotter environment, that is the oven, to the cold environment, that is the dough. Also, the entropy increases as the structural ingredients from the dough transfer into a less ordered structure, and the gases expands and the texture changes to a hard cookie. Now we're going to talk about the physical and chemical changes during baking. First, the butter melting, that affects the fats and changes the texture, making it a liquid. Then the sugar dissolving, caramelization, that the sugar, when we add it to the dough and the dough is cooked, the sugar becomes darker.
Heat transfer mechanisms while baking. First, conduction. Heat transfer from the hot baking sheet to the bottom of the cookies, cooking them from below. Second, convection. Hot air circulates inside the oven, heating the top of the cookies. 3. Radiation. Heat emitted by the oven walls and also contributing to baking. Also, the expansion of gases, CO2 and water vapor, baking powder and baking soda create bubbles that make the cookie raise. In short, thermodynamics explains how heat transforms liquid dough into crispy, golden cookies. This was Cooking with Pigeon and Friends. Thank you. Bye. Follow.